Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential task, removing a link from your history on Google Chrome for PC. With the latest update, the process is straightforward and user-friendly. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or from your taskbar. Once you have Chrome up and running, you're ready for the next step. Next, look to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu holds various options for managing your browser settings and history. Now from the drop-down menu, click on History. You will notice that this option appears twice. Go ahead and click on History again. This action will open a new tab displaying all your browsing history, where you can find every link you visited recently. Once you're in the History tab, it's time to locate the specific link you want to remove. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top of the page to find it quickly. When you've found the link, look for the 3 dots next to it. Clicking these dots will open another small menu. Finally, from this menu, select Remove from History. A quick click here will delete that link from your browsing history permanently. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully removed a link from your Google Chrome history. This process not only helps keep your browsing habits private, but also ensures that your history remains clutter-free. Thank you for following along. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Happy browsing!